Okay, this is ProsperWise, and maybe once again in this tutorial you're gonna look at where and how to download free books online. Any kind of book you want, you get it there to download. So let's quickly go to our browser. Now browser, just type PDF drive. So you see PDF drive.com, the site is here, or you can directly, it's loading. The site has loaded. To see PDF drive, you can directly just put in pdfdrive.com, so it takes you to the site. So you can scroll any kind of books, see sample of educational books. You can find religious books. You can find any kind of book you can imagine. Psychological, medical books over here, scientific, technological books, educative books, books on politics, religion, technology, science, health, fictional or fiction or literature books. You have children, youth, you have a lot of books that you can find here to download. So let's just try to guess a book. So let's just say psychology. So let's just type here psychology. So you see there's the pop-ups here. It pops up the books available with the names pop-ups here. So let's say psychology of learning. So you see the books, available for that name. Let's say for that name, psychology, or the books available for psychology. So let's try this on the phone interface too. So let's assume you are using phone. So you have PDF drive say.com. This is to the site straight. So on phone, this is how your interface is gonna look at your view. The side view is gonna look like. So you see the book. So how do you search here? So you search here. So let's say psychology. So psychology of learning. So let's say we want to read on the Steele's Handbook of Experimental Psychology and Cognitive Neuroscience, Learning and Memory. So let's say we want to download this. We want to download Psychology, a self-teaching guide. Let's say a self-teaching guide. So you click it. So whilst it's loading, it's for interface. So let's assume you are using, Windows View. So you click this, the same. So you say it comes here, it's loaded. So Psychology, a self-teaching guide. So what you do here is to preview. You can preview, have the preview of the book, whether or not you like it, to proceed with downloading. Then, or you want to directly download straight forward, so you click download. So it's loading now. So whilst it's loading now, let's look at the phone interface. So you see here it's loaded. Have the preview and download. The same thing can be done here. So you download it to equally load. It's good. So let's say you have here. Say go to PDF. So if you follow this, go to PDF. So when you go to PDF, it takes you to different tab where you can download. So you could see, you could like to read online or download by clicking this button here. So when you click this button, it will be downloaded into your file manager. Good. So let's have a look at the phone view also. So phone view, you go to PDF, same thing applies here. It takes you to a different tab. Then the button will be here for you to click to download the book. So this is where you can download any kind of book you wish to have. Just mention the book. Just come here, then mention the book. You get your quest all the time to find here. You have numerous uncountable books here. So this is one of the sites. Once again, like, share and comment on this video. We have many more to showcase in our subsequent videos. We have a lot of tutorials, educational tutorials. Kindly like, share and comment. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell, that is the notification button, for notification anytime we upload subsequent videos. Thank you once again for having time with us. Thank you.